Hi, I came to see Dr. Gulani, and I've had multiple radial keratotomies, and I've seen so many patients that come here with multiple other surgeries that were botched, and didn't want to deal with any of that. I'm skipping that and going straight to the source, the guy who's going to fix it all. I don't need to go to 2 or 3 other surgeons, have problems, and then make it more complicated for them. So as far as I'm concerned, Dr. Gulani, it's like the former middleweight champ, Gennady Golovkin. I call him Triple G. Dr. Gulani, GQ, the way he dresses and looks, and then the GOAT for as far as being the best surgeon, best eye surgeon in the world as far as I'm concerned. And I'm 20/20 and I'm happy. Thank you, Dr. Gulani.